Okay.
I'm gonna break this thing. I'm a professional BMXer.
Alright.
This is my,
This is Nicole's little bike that she loves to BMX on. Alright, let's go.
Alright, check out this wheelie.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh yeah,
So
that was
that's some
awesome.
tough shit right there. No one else in the world can do that. And I'll be going down the street on this 65 miles per hour. Y'all see me just holler.
Woo!
After a
So,
while.
while Nicole is doing that, this is me doing this. What up? Okay.
Dude, you know what I always wanted to do? Oh, watch this. I'm gonna grind, alright?
Alright. She is going to grind. Alright. Go, Nicole, go.
Man, that trick was hard, but I got it.
She got it like it was nothing. Now she's going through the grass.
Now I'm gonna do a back. Never mind, I'm not gonna
No, don't do the backflip.
do
We don't want anybody getting hurt.
wheelie.
We don't want anybody doing this at home. You know what I mean?
I'm going down, I'm going down. I still got it though. Whoa. What the hell? It's a scooter.
Sweet.
Whoa, dude.
Dude, I will do the scooter.
Alright, Sarah's gonna show you her motocross skills.
Alright.
Look how small it is.
Here we go. Okay, that was terrible. Okay.
Come on, Sarah. I know you can do a little something grind there.
Here we go.
Oh dang! Check their skills out.
Woo! Alright, with the lift, I think. Alright. One hit!
Dude.